Okay students, so I'll solve more questions. So that previous question we had started few questions. I told you questions. I'm starting now question number 5. Okay, so your exercise 5.1, alright, and question number 5. Okay, your Ncert students. Okay, this is from your Ncert. Question number 5. So question number 5 says 1 minus I 1 minus I minus 1 plus I6. Okay, so you have to convert in the form of express this. We have to express in the form of A plus IB. Okay, from question number 1 to 10. So start solving. First we will solve this bracket and then we will solve this bracket. So this is equal to 1 minus I, right? Let it be as it is. Minus minus will become plus 1, minus plus minus 6I. This I6, okay, I6 is equal to 6I student. This is just to confuse, okay. So this is equal to, now open this bracket, so 1 minus I plus 1 minus 6I. Okay, so what we will do, we will bring the real part together and imaginary part together. So this is the real part, so 1 plus 1, and imaginary part is with I minus 6I. So 1 plus 1, 2, minus minus plus. So sign will be minus 7I. Are you following me, students? So what is the answer? The answer is 2 minus 7I. Are you following? So question number 5. This is the way we will solve. So we have expressed in the form of A plus IB. We can write this as 2 plus minus 7I. So A plus IB. Okay. Either you write BI or IB, it is same. Does not make any difference. Followed, students? Okay. So now I will start the question. Few questions you can try. So I'll explain another type. Okay. I'll start with question number 7 now, students. Okay. Question number 7. Let me change the slide 1 minute. So your exercise 5.1. Okay. Your exercise 5.1. Okay. Exercise 5.1. Question number 7. So question number 7 is saying, I'll write the question first. 1 by 3 plus I 7 by 3. This is curved bracket, students. Okay. Plus 4 plus I 1 by 3 curved bracket. Then the square bracket is closed. Minus 4 by 3 plus I. Okay, students. So we have to solve this. Okay, to solve this, same, we will collect the real parts together and imaginary parts together. So what is real part? This 1 by 3, which is numbers. Okay, you can write real. I'll just write with different things so that you don't get confused. Okay, 1 minute. This will be visible. So this is your real Z. This is your imaginary Z. Okay, so real Z. This is your imaginary Z. How do you know it is imaginary? Wherever the I is coming, okay, that is your imaginary part. Okay, so this is your real Z, this is your imaginary Z. Okay, wherever this I is coming is imaginary, students. Are you following? So how to solve? Like in algebra, we were solving constant together, variable together. Here we will solve real part together. Okay, students, I hope you have followed now what is the real part and what is the imaginary part. So we will collect all the real parts together. So solving this first, this will be right. Let's change the increment. So this will be now 1 by 3. This is real part. Another real part. Plus will give me plus 4. Okay, the imaginary part. So this I can write as 7 by 3I plus will give me 1 by 3I. 1 by 3. So this will be this surface. So this will give me plus this will be I by 3. Okay, or you can write as 1 by 3I. Does not make any difference. Open this bracket now. Minus will be plus. So plus 4 by 3 minus plus minus I. I hope students you have followed till here. Go through this equation. Nothing difficult. Okay, so you can clearly see. Okay. Now we will solve this. How we solve this? Taking LCM and solving this. So the denominator is 1. So LCM is here 3. So 1 and 3 4 is 13 by 3 students. Okay. 3 4 is 12 plus 1, 13 by 3. This is very elementary. I am not telling this students. You are supposed to know this or in class 11 now. And now denominator is same, so you can directly add this. So this will be 8 by 3i. Clear students? So now plus 4 by 3 and minus I. So same thing, we will bring the real part together. So 13 by 3 from here. Now what is the real part? Plus 4 by 3. Imaginary part 8 by 3i and minus I. So now see the real part. The denominator is same, so we can directly add. So 13 plus 4, 17. So 17 by 3. Now add this imaginary part. So LCM will be 3. So minus 3, 8 minus 3 will give me 5. So positive 5 by 3i. Are you following students? 5 by 3i. So what is the answer? So the answer will be 17 by 3 plus 5 by 3i. Are you following students? How are we solving? Now it is simple calculation. The only thing we have to keep in mind is that we will add real with real and imaginary with imaginary. Are you following students? So in this way you will complete this question, and whichever left questions you should try students. Okay. In case you are unable to solve, then ask me, I will solve that question also. So this is sufficient for you, and different types I have solved for you, so you can complete this now. Okay students? Okay students, now I think you should not have any problem in solving these type of questions. Okay, so collect all the real part together and imaginary part together and then solve. Okay, so study well. All the best.